Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Biryani is a very popular dish and an excellent choice for a one-pot meal and generally loved by everybody. Today, let's see how to make a chicken kofta biryani. Here I have half a kg of chicken mince, and here I have ground 1 medium onion along with 5 green chilies, a tablespoon of mint leaves and a tablespoon of coriander leaves to a very coarse paste. I'm going to add this to the chicken mince. Mix this well. A teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 3 tablespoons of roasted gram flour. Let's mix this well. Usually when you make chicken koftas, it can get dry if you don't add a little fat to this. So let's add a tablespoon of ghee to this to keep the mixture nice and moist, and some salt to taste. Here I've kept a kadai to heat with oil because we are going to make small lemon-sized balls of this chicken mince and fry them golden. The oil is hot. Let's prepare the koftas. These koftas are ready. Let's remove them in a plate. Similarly with the remaining mixture, make the koftas. So while the koftas are getting ready, let's prepare the gravy for the biryani. I'm going to heat 3 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee has melted, let's add our whole spices. 2 bay leaves, 1 inch of cinnamon, 5 cloves, 3 green cardamoms, and 10 peppercorns. Let these spices release their aroma. And now let's add a teaspoon of black cumin seeds or shahajira. And when they splutter, we're going to add 3 onions that we've ground to a paste without using any water. We're going to saute these onions till they are nice and brown in color. The onions have browned well. Let's add a tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of ginger paste. Fry this well for a minute. The raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone. I'm going to add 2 tomatoes that I've ground to a pulp and cook this for 5 minutes. As you can see, the oil has separated. I'm going to whisk half a cup of yogurt and add this to the gravy. And now we'll add the spices. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. Mix this well. And now let's wait for another 5 minutes for the oil to separate. You can see the oil has separated. I'm going to add a cup of water to this. Salt to taste. Mix this well. And add the chicken koftas now to this. Let's sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander leaves, some freshly chopped mint leaves. Just gently mix it. Here I have 2.5 cups of basmati rice which I had cooked just like the way you make it for a biryani. I'm going to add this layer on top of the kofta curry. Now on this rice, We're going to drizzle some oil that we had used to fry the chicken koftas to give the rice a nice, beautiful, glossy sheen. Some rose water. Just let's sprinkle some garam masala powder. Here I have some saffron water. Some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Some mint leaves. And let's sprinkle some fried onions. Let's cover this and cook it on a dum for 15 to 20 minutes on a low flame. It's been 20 minutes. We had kept the biryani on a dum and it's ready by now. Let's remove it in a serving platter. And our chicken kofta biryani is ready to be served. Serve it with a nice cool raita and enjoy your meal. Keep watching Get Curried.